Hold on. How do you hold on? I gotta look up how you say this.
Coquelicot.
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 Coquelicot. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with another video. So if you've seen the title of today's video, you already know what's going on. We're going to be doing an unboxing. I went shopping. It was a little self-care weekend and I decided to give myself a gift. I went to the Louis store. I went to the Louis Vuitton store in Soho and I got a bag. Okay guys, I had to switch to my camera because my phone doesn't have any more storage on it. So I know, yeah, I love these unboxings, so I decided I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys because I really love this purchase. Like, I honestly thought it was so thought out. And if you guys watched my New York City vlog, you would see like the girl who helped me pick out this bag. She was super sweet, but she really is the one who like inspired the look on this bag, because I was just gonna get the bag itself, but I ended up getting a bag and I got a scarf, and the scarf pretty much is like the little key piece to what makes it look so cute, like, which is why I had to get it. And when she put that scarf on it, I was like, yes bitch, that's mine. It's given everything, it's for me. Okay, but before we even get into anything, I need you guys to make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because you're not about to keep coming here and getting free content. Like, all you gotta do is subscribe. It's free too, like everything is free, so just hit that subscribe button and we good, sis. So yeah, let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so this is the bag that it came in. It's pretty huge. Okay, it's a very big bag. It's bigger than me. So yeah, this is the bag that they gave it to me in, and this is the bag that, oh shit. And then this is the bag. This is the box that my bag is in, and it's super cute. I love the little card she put right here. This is adorable. She really knew how to wrap this good. Like, I am so impressed. Like, this is what you call like a masterpiece. Like, she took her time. But yeah, so this is the box. And like I said, it's huge. Like, it's huge. And I don't really even think the bag is this big, but she done gave me a huge ass box. I'm very surprised. Like, I'm very surprised, because you know, a lot of designer stores, they be stingy with their boxes, or sometimes they don't even want to wrap it in a box. They only do it if it's like a gift for somebody. But I went to the Louis Vuitton store in Soho, so I mean, that's how they operate. Like, you're not gonna get a little corner store bag for your designer bag. If you do end up getting this bag or getting a bag from there, it'll definitely come like this, all wrapped and cute. Mad cute. It's super cute. And she also gave me some sample fragrances of the Louis Vuitton fragrance. I've never smelled it before, but I'm assuming it smells rich for a rich bitch. And I want to show you guys my receipt and everything, how it came to, but I just want to show you guys the box before anything, because it's huge and I'm not going to be holding it up the entire time. This is, like I said, how it comes, and the little Louis Vuitton card here. I wonder what it even says. Does it say anything? Yeah, this is decoration, child. It came with my receipt, and your receipt comes in this little like pamphlet kind of thing, whatever you want to call it. And inside has the person who helped me. I'm not gonna put her information out like that, but yeah, this is her business card. It's like right in the front. It's so cute. And then your receipt is right here. But she's really nice, and if you guys do want her information, definitely write me and I will give you guys the tea, because she's super dope and she was super nice. I really liked her. Yeah, so this is the receipt. This is how the receipt comes. It comes in this little, you know, Louis Vuitton pamphlet, whatever, and then it comes with the advisor's name, like their business card, like right here, which is super cute. So I'm gonna tell you guys ahead of time what I got. I got what they call, it's called a Neonoe MMMNG Coquelicot. Whoa.
Wait.
Coquelicot. Coquelicot. Hold on. How do you? Hold on. I gotta look up how you say this.
Coquelicot.
Coquelito.
Coquelicot.
Coquelicot.
Meg.
Okay, so that's how you say the name of this bag. Coquelicot. Yeah, so that's the name of the bag, guys. It's called the Neonoe Coquelito, whatever you call it. And I also got a scarf to tie with it, because I was ultimately just gonna get the bag, but then I think she knew what she was doing too. She showed me a scarf and she wrapped it in the bag, and literally, bitch, I was like, give it to me. Just give it to me. Oh, and also a little background on this bag before I show you guys too. So it's called a Coquelicot bag, whatever you want to call it, because a Coquelicot, it's basically a champagne bag. And a little background from what she had told me on this bag is that a champagne company had actually reached out to Louis Vuitton, and they wanted a bag designed for their champagne. So they actually worked with Louis Vuitton to make a champagne bag, and they've also featured this bag in a lot of their commercials as well. I don't know what champagne it was, she didn't tell me, but yeah, that's a little background that I think you guys would think is cool, because I mean, I would have never looked at it and been like, oh, this is a champagne bag. But when you look at it and then you look how the design of it is, you're like, oh yeah, like you could definitely put some liquor in here. But I wouldn't be putting no champagne, bitch. I'll be putting some Casamigos in there, some Don Julio. So just in case you want a little bag for your liquor, there you go. You got a champagne bag, period. So altogether for this bag, I paid well, for the bag and the scarf, it came to $2,139.45. The scarf was $185 and the bag was $1,780. And the luxury tax out here, $174, bitch. Out fucking outrageous. I need to live somewhere where there's no taxes, because your purchase can go from like $1,000 to $2,000 real quick, because that's literally what mine did. Like, it was literally $1,000. It was $1,700 and it jumped to like $2,000 once I did the luxury tax. And I wonder how much the tax was on the headband. It was probably the same. Well, I would just have to divide 174 by 2. Yeah, it ain't math class. Like I said, there's a luxury tax, so be prepared for that. Don't think you're gonna be paying what's on the price tag. Make sure you add some or come with extra, because Louis coming for all his coins, okay? He's coming for all his coins. So now we're gonna get into this box. So we're gonna head to my carpet so I can show you guys every detail and every like part of the bag, which I really want to just show you guys, because I want you guys to see it up close and I want you guys to see the size of it. So yeah, let's get into this bag now. So excuse my ashiness. This is the box that it came in. And it came with a little tag. I think this has something in it. What does it have in it? Okay, so it comes with a little envelope. I didn't know this. And it has nothing in it. Okay, so it comes with a little envelope with nothing in it, but it's still cute. We live for the no purpose decoration, okay? So that's perfectly fine. And I see why they gave me such a big bag, but this is literally like gymongous, like literally gymongous. Now we're gonna get into the unboxing. So I'm gonna take the ribbon off here, take this off, and now it's time for the unveil. Okay, so that was a little dramatic. So it comes in this little duster bag. It says Louis Vuitton. This is the bag. Ah! Girl, this is so fire. Like, what? Do you see this? But this is the bag. This is how it is, and it comes with the strings that go around it. I don't know why she didn't put the strings on, because now I gotta ruin this cute ass bow. But, and this is actually the scarf that I bought with the bag. I know a lot of people use this as like a scarf around their hair sometimes, like as a headband, but I'm using it on my bag. So I'm gonna take the scarf off and I'm gonna show you guys the inside of the bag. So this is the chain that comes with it, and you attach it like this. And you can wear it like that, and it's super adjustable, so if you want to make it longer, I forgot how she showed me to do it. I think you like, if you want to make it longer, you can wear it like this, and then you can snap it. Let me get closer so I can so you guys can see. So if you want to make it longer, you just snap these parts and wait, yeah. So you snap these parts like this. If you want to make it like a bigger crossbody to go across your whole body. So it's super long. I'm going to stand up in the mirror and show you guys how it looks on me too. I haven't decided if I'm going to wear it as a crossbody, if I'm going to wear it on my shoulders yet. But I just love this red detail. Like, I absolutely love the red. I love the red interior. Like, this is just so dope. So, like I said, it comes, this was a scarf, but originally it came with this, and you basically do it the same way as you would do the scarf, and just tie it through the loops. There's 2 loops in the front, and then there's 2 loops in the back. So you basically just push these through the loops. I ended up getting this scarf. I just love the details on this scarf. Like, I really want you guys to see. Well, let me show you guys the detail on this scarf. Like, look at that. Come on, focus. Like, look at the detail. Oh, I'm in love. It's literally like a bunch of different, like, cute ass pictures. I don't know what that says. What does that say? What does that say? La toile. I don't know what that says. I could speak French, but I can't read it, if that makes sense. Oh, this is so cute. Like, look at this detail. Like, oh my god, I'm just living for this. It's just so cute. It's so cute. Oh, look, and it has my bag right here. That's my bag. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I'm in love. And then the other side is just like, I'm definitely gonna eventually use this for a headband, because this is like a really cute design for a headband too. When I get money though, because this is a $200 headband, babe. So like I said, the scarf has a lot of designs on it. It has a picture of a purse. It has the monograms. Like, it just has so much detail, which I love. So that's really why I got it, and it looks so cute paired with this. So the interior of the bag looks like this, if you guys can see it. So it has like a little zipper. I'm gonna turn my camera around so you guys can really like. So cute. This was better. I really should have recorded it this way. So this is the interior of the bag, and it has like a zipper, and oh my god, my camera's dying again. It has a zipper and then a little pocket right here. which I like. And I love the detail about everything. Like, look at this. Okay, I wanted to show you guys it this way because I didn't like the angle of it before. I just retied the bow a little bit and it looks so dumb. I wish I never touched it. I feel like, hold on, it's gonna look like this for now. So yeah, this is the scarf though that I purchased with it. It does not come with this, guys, so I'm letting you guys know that ahead of time. I picked it out, and yeah, and this is the detail on the buckle. It's just so cute. It's so cute. Should probably take this off. But yeah, I just adore this bag, guys. Like, it is so cute. It's for me. Like, it's perfect. Because I don't like huge bags. I like, you know, cute, small, but not like too small, but like, you know. And it has the Louis Vuitton monogram all over it, which I like. I don't really like that checkerboard shit. It looks cheap to me. Oh, yeah, guys, this is the bag, and I'm just in love. Oh, and I'm gonna show you guys in the mirror how it looks on me. Be right back. It's giving. It's giving. It's giving rich bitch, period. Because I need y'all to see the detail when I wear it. Like, the whole entire detail. I love it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wear it like this. I just love it. Oh my god. It's so cute. This was a good purchase. You know, like when you buy something and you regret buying it? Yeah, no regrets over here. I feel like if I would have brought the Neverfull, I definitely would have regretted it because that's such a basic bag to me. Everybody has that bag. This still nobody have, and the scarf is unique because I picked it out myself, so nobody's walking around with their bag looking exactly like mine. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. Yeah, that's where it stops on me, like right at my hip, which I like a lot. Yeah, so this is the bag, guys. Oh, I just love this. It's come through. But I'm gonna show you guys also how you could wear it on your shoulder, because I don't just want to make it for how I like it. I gotta show you guys how else you could wear it. So give me 1 second. So this is how you can also wear it. Okay, so if you like wearing your bags this way, you got the option of doing that too. But I don't think I would wear it this way. I probably would wear it this way like from time to time because it is cute this way. But I just love the whole crossbody because like you could really see like the detail of the bag, and you could see like the red strap more. You know, I mean, you could see it now too. I just like when you can like really see the details of a bag. And this bag is just for me, like literally I'm very satisfied with my purchase. Why is my mirror always dirty? Like, come on. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed my review on my Coquelicot bag. I really hope I said enough about the bag. If you guys do have any more questions in regards to the bag, definitely leave a comment below if you guys have any more further questions about cleaning and how to maintain this bag. But yeah, I'm just in love. Everything about it. It's just so cute. And I can't wait to wear it and take pictures of it to show you guys. So I hope I answered all your questions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.